Welcome to Dining with Dan. So tonight I'm going to do a very simple dish called Mississippi chicken, and it's done in the crock pot. Okay, so to start this dish, you're going to need a crock pot. And we're going to take 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You can use breasts if you want, but if you watch my videos, you'll know I prefer thighs. They seem more tender and they hold flavor better. You can buy those frozen in a bag, but if you do, you want to thaw them out. That's what I've done, and basically, look, you can get them pretty cheap at the butcher's block too, though. So it's up to you. And you just want to spread those out, lay them evenly. Okay, from there you're going to take a pack of ranch dressing mix. We're just going to sprinkle that over the top. I was going to take a pack of au jus gravy mix. I'm going to sprinkle that right over the top of that. You don't have to get super precise with it either. Just get it in there. Alright. From there we're going to take a stick of butter, and you can throw the whole stick in if you want. I just chopped it up into a few different pieces here. Cube it, however you want to do it. It's all going to melt anyway. From there we're going to take about 6 to 8 pepperoncinis. I'm going to pull the stems off as I throw them in there. When you pull the stems off, you want to do that over the crock pot though. That way the juice goes into the crock pot. You don't want to lose that juice before you get it in the crock pot, because that is definitely going to add to the flavor. That's basically it. We're just going to cover that, put it on low, and we're going to let that cook for about 6 to 8 hours. And we'll come back and see what it looks like then. Alright, so we've been about 6.5 hours. Pull this off. We're going to take, the chicken should be tender as heck. I'm going to basically take a couple forks, I'm going to shred that up. Keep it in the sauce and shred it up. Man, it smells delicious too. You can pull those pepperoncinis out if you want, shred them up. Actually, these are pretty tender too. We'll just shred those up in there. Why not? Why not, right? In this dish, you can serve it over rice. You can serve it as sandwiches. I'm gonna go ahead and make sandwiches out of this. So let me make sure this is all shredded up. I'm gonna prep this on a sandwich and try that. Alright, there you have it. Mississippi chicken in the crock pot. You can serve that over rice, serve it in a sandwich like I've done here. Let's try this out. Wow. Really not much to it, but a lot of flavor. Oh my gosh. Taste that ranch, taste that pepperoncini, taste that pepper, the ranch, the au jus. A lot of flavor, a lot of spice. Great sandwich. Excellent sandwich. Anyway, and quick and simple. Like I said, you got 4 or 5 ingredients in a few hours. Serve this up and you got a great dinner. Anyway, like this video, you want to try it. Like this recipe, you want to try it out for yourself. I'll put it down in the description below. Like this video, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Leave any comments. Let me know what you think. Thank you for stopping by. Hope to see you again soon.